is the flower, okay? You are going to start cutting right here. Alrighty, so this is what we have left. So we have our leaves and we have our flowers that Joe cut up. So now we're going to cut these down into even smaller pieces. So Joe, do you want to hold this camera here? Do you want to demonstrate to us? Awesome. So Joe just cut off a piece. And do you want to cut off that little skinny part off of it too? So we're going to cut off up to where
the fat part is.
There you go, where the fat
where
part
it needs
is.
to work out. This is what they look like when they are done.
Okay, so we have our leaves on this side, all cut up, and then we have all of our pretty flowers on this side. Good job, Joe. So we are left with just that much of a stem. We need to have enough so that we can place some glue on it. And this is a pretty flower. Again, now we are going to go ahead and measure Jojo's head. Just measured Jojo's head, and we wrapped this wire. I went over it about 3 times, and this is what we came up with. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just made it thick enough so that we can glue the flowers on it, and it wasn't just one little small piece of wire. There is going to be some parts here that are sticking out, as you can see right here where my finger's at, and that's okay. What I plan to do is I plan to place some glue on here. I'm hoping that would seal that, and that way it's not bothering her. I'm poking on her head. Another thing is we also have the floral tape still to wrap around, so we are going to be using this floral tape. All we're doing here is we are wrapping tape around. Joe, good job. She's a pro at this. Look at this.